National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Elk County in southeastern Kansas, West Central Montgomery County in southeastern Kansas, Northeastern Chautauqua County in southeastern Kansas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Sedan, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sedan, Longton, Elk City, and Hale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.